turning $1 into a $1 billion giveaway in 30 modules, one step at a time. And welcome. Okay, so this is this week's hack. And before you all start complaining going, mate, this didn't cost you $1,000. No, it didn't. And it's a lot more of a bike than $1,000. If you would have noticed through previous episodes, it was sitting just here. I don't know if you found that one. Mate, this is a cool bike. Aussie bike, Australian made, mate. I'm telling you, great bike. Well, I purchased it very cheap. You know them bargains you get, people just got to sell something, and I paid $750, viewers. Bargain, absolute bargain buy. In saying that, it does fit tonight's module. So all I've got to do, get this thing going, I just sort of had it off already. Got to put a new battery in it. Now viewers, I always like to mention, I want to mention this, I always say that profit is in the buying. And tonight's module is absolutely profit in the buying. It's not a G-up. You know, it's good to have a bit of cash tucked away for little bargains, you know, like come along like this, and they do come along in life. Example, great example. All right, so what I'll do, I'll throw the battery in. I won't put you through the, we'll put it together and see if she starts up, eh? Get the seats on. Okay, seats, battery's in, seats on. Okay, see if she starts, eh? Turn the fuel on. Make sure it's in neutral. That would help, wouldn't it? Oh, well, we've got power. Headlights. Alright, so we've got lights. We should have to start. Maybe not. Oh. We'll give her a kick. Okay, so before we go for a brap, checked everything. Still brand new, viewers. Still brand new bike. Said before, good old Aussie made. Not an advertisement. Just a bloody good bike. Alright, so let's go. Now, I haven't got my Nikes on, but I've got my New Bells. So let's go for a brap, eh? As expected, super cheap on fuel, and this was an unexpected surprise. Good old law enforcement didn't even flinch. We're off to a good start. Now viewers, I'd like to show you an actual $1 billion. Upon module 30, we'll start the giveaway, and if you want to be a part of that pile there, I would suggest subscribing if you haven't already. Roger, we'll go. Riding through town, it's a breeze. The bike is built up for road registration, it hasn't got knobbies or nothing. Well, it would be fun going motocross riding as well. through the back streets of suburbia. It's like riding around in stealth. Nobody hears you coming or going. Cool little get around town ride, that's for sure. And there's always a wank who's got his head up his rear end, eh? And you always get a wave and a look, of course. So brand new, 3.2, second hand 2.5. Hopefully we can get $2,000, eh guys? Check that, Mr. Big. What have I learnt from the Superlite Motorcycle world is that these riders only like to be on camera when they've got a crash helmet on the back wheel. And most importantly, they love to do on the good old ash bay. Yeah. Okay, we got 2 gorillas, Mr. Big. On to the next one, eh? Are you ready? Let's go. And for more great family entertainment, if you liked this content, you might like to check out Time Rider and also the home channel to many other adventures. And with more 121B action to come. Bye for now. And always, we'd love to say good night in the usual way, where Mr. Big and I turn one humble dollar into $1 billion giveaway in only 30 modules, viewers, and we're up to number 12 next week, one step at a time. Good night all. See you next week.